If you've ever built a website, sometimes it can be very tricky laying the foundations. Sometimes you're stuck there looking at a blank page and you don't know where to go with the site. This is where Squareforge comes in really handy. You have access to 350 different layouts which you can pick and choose from. This allows you to create a rapid wireframe of the site, give you some inspiration to get started, and then you can take it in your own direction. So I'm just going to show you some of the layouts that we have available and show you how quick it is to rapid prototype a web page. What I'm going to walk you through is a tried and tested method that we use with our own clients. We used to wireframe and sketch out all the layouts at the very start of the process, as any web designer would do. We go through the hero section, content blocks, order prioritization, if I can say that correctly, and the rest of the website. And basically we have a sketch, we then sign it off, we go away, create the design, then come back and present. And a lot of the times people want to see other layouts and we have to go off again, come back, redesign, and it was this whole process which took a lot of time. Now, the answer that we found was with Squareforge. So we developed this in-house to be able to design the wireframe and then have a first version of the website, or at least the homepage, in place to run through with the client. And I'll show you how that would work now. So if I were with my client, I'd have them either on call or in the room with me. And I'd go, right, we want to have a hero section to start off with. Let's take a look at some of the options. I then go through Squareforge here and I click on one of the pages, and there's a lot of different options here for hero page sections, going from classic, rounded, grid sections, gallery sections, animated, typography. There's a lot in here to work from. But basically, I can scroll through the different sections available on my site. The client can then go, oh, you know what? I really like the look of this one here. Perfect. Okay. I would then come into the section, click the heart icon, and save to site. And then continue scrolling. So we go, right, I want to try this one out. So the one we just favorited. And, oh, let's have a look at some of the other sections here. I also want to try out this one here with the diagonal images. So I'm like, yeah, no problem, let's do that now. So again, I would come in and save that section. So I come over to my section, save it, save this site, exit. I can then come over to my canvas, so just a normal page. I can hit edit, and then I can add the sections to that page. So I can go over to my save sections, and then I can see the two layouts here. So I can show number one. So here's a look at the first hero section, and I could put number 2 in there as well. Now there are a few other sections that I've added into the site. So outside of all these Squarespace ones, we have a full library of 300 plus Squarespace section layouts that you can pick from. So there's a load that I've saved before, but I'm just going to put this one here just for the sake of this. And effectively what you're seeing is a bit of a wireframe for the client to start seeing. You then have full control to fill in the blanks, and you can change any text and any content to your heart's desire. So for instance, this is effectively our billboard. If you're traveling 70 miles an hour down the motorway, you only have a few seconds to show off what it is your business does. And so what we want to try out is a few different hero sections in here. So I quite like the idea of having a hero section here, then a bit of an introduction to the business underneath. So I'm trying out this hero section, and what I might do is go in, show the client, right, okay, let's try some photography in the background. So I'm just going to find one. So we're just going to use this. Oh, I quite like the Dune-esque one here with the sand. You're effectively coming in, filling in the blanks, and showing the client how this might look with their content in. You can even come into the site stylings, change all the fonts around to whatever you want. So you can either pick from a number of the Squarespace fonts available, which are mostly Google fonts, or you can upload your own custom fonts to this. You can sort of see this coming together now. You can do the same then for the colors. So you can instantly show the client what colors might work. So for instance, for my call to actions, so effectively my buttons, I might want to try out some different color styles. And you can see that then going site-wide. So maybe we go for a different kind of shade here. Maybe the darker colors we go for a bit more of a blue, kind of like a slate blue. And you can see as I scroll down, these are being changed site-wide. So I can show this for the client. They might go, yes, I love this. I really like the idea of this and the direction. Or they go, no, I don't like this. But okay, so let's try a different section out. So I can remove what we have here and show my other section. So again, I'm going to do the same here. So rather than having a full banner image, what we might want to do is put in 2 different images. So I'm just going to use this lovely mountain range here, which is uploading into place. So I'm effectively just adding in all my own content into this site. And I can even move the layouts around. I don't have to stick to these. So I might even just want one button here. I probably want to have a bit of text underneath. So I'm just going to steal a bit of this here. That's too big, so I can customize that to make it smaller. So maybe a paragraph 1 here would be quite nice. So I have full control of these layouts. These are all just suggestions for your build. You don't have to stick to these designs. So I'm just going to change this image here as well. And you can instantly show the client different layouts from the get-go. Now, the best thing about this is you can get instant feedback. One thing that we had when we were starting off is that we'd be playing games of email tennis, going back and forth. Oh, can you change this? Oh, don't like that. Can we change this? Oh, don't like that. Can we see it like this? And it would just slow down the whole process. But by doing it this way alongside the clients, they can instantly see the layouts. They can decide if they like it or loathe it. And if they don't like any of them, you can just go back into that backlog of different layouts and try another until you get it right. And this way saves hours and hours of time. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in a demo of Squareforge, feel free to get in touch with us at squareforge.net.